Can you sing happy birthday to you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Here's your gift.
Oh. I'm gonna read the letter first.
Yeah?
Is this how I open it?
Yeah?
I didn't get the letter because it's not your birthday.
Yeah, but in your last birthday you have, I prepared a card for you. Ate hide it. Ate hide it. Careful.
Oh my gosh, 2 Robux gift cards. I want this one for you.
No, I have one for JC. Give it to
They're
Ate.
both for me.
They're both for you.
I can get Robux now. Oh my god.
Open your box. Open your box. Open that one. Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my god.
You open it already.
Where do I put all I found is the gift card and my box. Gift card. I'm
Okay.
I'm gonna.
You want to read?
And I'm my sweetie girl.
Mhm.
I see a blessed birthday day to you. God will prepare your future ahead of you. The will bless you in all area of you
of your life.
of your life. 8 is awesome. 8 is heaven. 8's a whole year more than 7. You will be blessed and what's that noise? What else?
Anointed.
Anointed. God will make you succeed
Mm-hmm.
in life. What's
What is that?
this? I don't understand.
Good.
Good friends
And God will bring
and God will bring
near
near to you. Good friends simply seek God's presence.
present.
Okay. So inside has an instructions. No.
What is it?
They have plastic bags.
Oh, maybe where you're gonna put the thing if you're done.
And I think these are instructions.
Oh yeah, that's how you're gonna do it.
Oh, these are things that you can flex.
Flexi.
So you can put this into shapes that it shows you in the book. I can. So how do I? So. Ooh, you can make a cube. Wait, I want to make a cube. How do you make a cube? It's so hard to make a cube like that. Snap.
Oh, it's not.
I'm gonna make a tower like this. Wait, you can move like that?
Yeah. I don't think. Oh yeah.
How do I open it? I want to be careful opening it, but oh my god, I broke it. You can lift it. What happens if I rip it? I want to do it nicely. You can also rip the packaging. That's the packaging. There's the packaging of it. I don't want to rip it though. Why? I want to open it nice. I'm gonna rip.
Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag.
Eddie, what are you doing?
No, don't mention it. What?
These-
What is it?
Earrings.
Let me see.
They're green.
It's a pair of your rings.
They're earrings.
Same.
Yeah, they're for August.
Yeah, it's
That
peridot.
means your birthday's on August.
Yeah, it was the name of that stone. What's the name of that birthstone?
I don't know.
Peridot.
I don't know.
Wanna put it in or later?
Later.
Okay. Wanna open the other one? I know.
That are broken somehow.
Yeah, it's okay. We can fix it.
I'm gonna put all my gifts.
You wanna open the other one?
Wait, I need to put
If you what other? What do you see? If you eat what? You eat vegetables, you're faster to grow, and then you will become 8 right away.
No. You. Okay, can you make me a few?
Wow! Everything is in there. Holy cow! You can share with Ate. Give. Oh my goodness! You have so much in there.
You're ready.
Oh, that's why it's so
I also want
expensive. That one.
One of these.
The blue one is for you.
Okay.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, it fell.
It fell. You see?
This is how you open it.
Oh,
This is how you open it
holy
nicely.
cow. You have lots.
Here you go. This is how you.
You have a lot of that fidget
I
ball.
have a lot of extras too.
Yeah, you can give one to Ate.
I already gave one of those to JC.
To Ate. To Ate, what's her name? Ate Iya.
Oh yeah, she's
On her
from-
birthday, we give her one giveaway.
Yeah, one of these.
No, it's okay. Just this one because you have a lot of this.
Okay.
Give her one of that.
I have like 3 of these. One. I have.
Oh my goodness! How long? How long? How long?
Have a picture so I can explain.
Oh my goodness! So many. Oh, that's why it's expensive.
I want to open a pea popper because I love pea poppers.
Yeah, you like P too?
They're called pea poppers.
No, because it's from the word peace. It's a green piece.
Oh my god,
like
little
that.
doggy face.
Oh!
And you can't remove
Open it.
it.
Let me see. Let me see.
You can't remove
No, you
it
have
though.
to pop it like this. Can you pop it and I want to see?
You can't remove the peas
Oh,
though.
beautiful.
If you remove the peas, it won't work. It's not a pea popper without it.
Yeah.
It doesn't break though.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a pea popper. You guys don't test it with real food. This is just a fidget toy. That's like a peas.
Oh, yeah.
What else do I want to open? Oh! I put it back!
Oh, it put back. Can you stretch it out? Can you stretch it out?
I'm gonna open it.
Oh, that's so long. Oh my god. Oh, it's wiggling. Oh my god. Don't bow. That's not for bow.
This is my
Oh.
triple dimple, not a simple dimple. A simple dimple is 2.
So that is triple dimple?
Yeah.
Oh, but
And-
double dimple.
Um,
Do they have double dimple?
no, the one like this without this
Mhm.
it's a simple dimple.
A simple dimple. How about the one only?
When
Single
only-
dimple?
I don't think they have that. And I did see one. It's like a, but I think it's like a, I think it's a dimple.
It's a dimple only.
It
Oh.
has yeah.
Dimple,
It had-
simple dimple.
It has yeah, the dream fidget. Kinda. You know my dream fidget is a tangle. And I
Is that the
already-
one?
No,
You already have the tangle.
I know, so I don't need a dream fidget. This is a fidget pad. My dream fidget is this. My dream fidget is this.
Is it tube?
This is a fidget
How
pad.
do you call that one?
I think don't do that. That's not the use for it. This is a This is a fidget pad, which is very fun to use. This is a stretcher. They even have fidget cubes, but it's not in this kit.
Hey, cook. You brip. Look.
Yay! No, don't see.
Oh, see, you have a lot.
Yeah. I'm gonna open this now.
Yeah, the pink one.
Yeah. I don't know how it's like that. Have it. Wait. You can stretch it, and it will be so long.
Oh my goodness, that's a big. Hey, give it to me.
I don't
Guys, hold it. What a big. It's a big. How about that one? How many meter?
No! It's too big.
It's so
How
big.
do I put it back?
Big and wide.
Yeah. It's kind of hard to put it back, but it's easy to stretch out, you know? Yeah. Can we get more pigeons? Maybe. Like a puppet? I have a puppet. Wait.
You already have all your collection?
Kind
Oh, there's another puppet there.
I think, wait. This is a square type and that is a circle.
You already have one, right?
I don't, yeah, except I think this is different because there's no red.
Oh, it's only the colors, but the style is the same.
Yeah, they have lots of styles. I think it doesn't work in package. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this side doesn't pop.
Does not pop?
It pops. It says this one makes the pop sound, and it's easy.
Oh.
Just sometimes they might pop back up. That's how JC's is. It just pops back up. Totally, I got the new fidget, and I didn't pop it in the pack. You don't know if that's yours. I think, is that yours? Yeah. I didn't say you can have it. I didn't say you can have it, okay? I don't know how you do this. Is it like that? I don't know. I don't know how you play with this.
Oh, it's just like that.
Yeah, it's kind of like a boring fidget. But this is kind of my favorite one in the kit because you can put it on your wrist and you can play like this. It's like a console.
Oh, it's like a console that you play.
Yeah,
Console.
except it's not like the one like Nintendo over there. That's a console
This
over there.
is the
We
fidget.
have a Nintendo console.
Yeah.
So this is
I
how
only
you
want
play
the
with it.
console.
There's only one, I think. Oh.